What is up, ladies and gentlemen? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. Today we got ourselves a Miami exclusive purple lightning kill hoodie. Yes, you heard that right. Yes, we got ourselves a lightning kill hoodie right here. Purple on purple, Miami exclusive in this package. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna rip. Oh yeah, so far so good. It's there. There it is. Hold on, I got a hair on me. It's my own hair. Boom, pow, bam, bada bop boop. Oh. This is a weird unboxing or unwrapping. All right. Ugh. Jump. Ugh. That's pretty good. It's all squished in there. Understandable though. Right. And there it is, guys. Let's go ahead and uncrease this real quizzy. No kizzy. Check that out. Ooh, so with this being said, it is pretty much dead stock. Does not look like it's been taken out. Looks fantastic. What I am gonna do is the usual. You guys already know. This is the segment of the video where I'm gonna pause it, go ahead and take a dead stock picture, and then we will be right back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the second part of this opening. We got ourselves the pictures taken. We just unwrapped it beforehand. Now it is time to see the freaking kill hand, guys. Here we go. First, you already know, gotta unseal the deal. Boom, pow. The seal has been cracked, guys. The seal has been cracked. We're gonna do one of these again. I like doing this version because it's just like smooth. Ready? Boom! A pow. Check out this real quizzy. Very nice. I love the kill hand bags. It's a great touch for this, the new stuff. First off rip, I am in love with this puff print. It's very nice. You see how it's like raised? So you know it's some nice puff. I think overall too, when this starts cracking, it's just gonna look clean with how this logo, is. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right. Bada bam. Oh my gosh, this sleeve text is ridiculous. Oh, give me a second, guys. Let me fold this up properly. And then I got you guys with that close-up of the sleeve text. Holy crap, that looks beautiful in person. Oh, I can get that focused on you for you guys. This thing looks super sick. Tell it's puff, very thin puff, but you already know, puff nonetheless. And again, unlike the mugshot, the purple mugshot that was screen print, this is puff. So I'm very happy about that. And again, this did come out in the Miami, LA, not the LA pop-up, sorry. That was the Spider-Man version. You already know, the other video. But this is my second lightning logo. And yeah, what was I talking about? The freaking, the purple mugshot had a screen printed, sleeve text, whereas this is puff print. All right, and I do believe this is going to be on that, this is on that blank as the same as the LA pop-up one, LA pop-up lightning kill, the navy red. But I'm referring to that as the Spider-Man kill hoodie, now that I've seen a bunch of people call it that I join in and say that. Okay, I think I've rambled on just about enough. There we go, extra large, let's go. Yeah, I think I've rambled on enough. Let's go ahead and check out that freaking kill hand, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me get that to focus. Look at that kill hand, guys. Very nice. See like a little crease or whatever? That's normal. Very, very normal. Getting it to the package, like that. Gotta do what you gotta do. Look at that puff. It looks kind of like it's puffed twice, but no, it's just the way it looks. But wow, that purple is sick. It does look like white on camera, I'm not gonna lie, but it's more like a light purple in person. But man, overall, it's very clean. It's the detailed kill hand too. You can tell by these right here. It's not like the purple mugshot that I had. But yeah, wow, very impressed with this. Can't wait to try it on. Looks very cool, very comfy. Wow. sleeve techs, very happy with that. Kill it. I can't believe I got this. I can't believe I own this. It's sick. I feel like these are going to become one of the more rare exclusives because I don't feel like anyone really knew about these when they first came out. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And until next time.